Ooh. So this is the GAN 356M Lite Edition. I added some extra things here, so I didn't include the box. So let's unbox it. Shaky, shaky. Here's the extra I added, the towel. And here's a cube. And here's my PB scramble. Let's do the first time. Wow, first turns is epic. This is my 200 turns. Let's do my PB scramble. I don't have a WCA ID. That's my wish. I haven't taken a bath yet. Let's not talk about that. Dang it. Timer's broken again. So don't judge me if I'm doing something wrong, but I'm still doing the basic. I still want to learn the, the CFOP, but I have no time. I have to go to school, and I have to do some weird chores I don't know how to do. My best time on this scramble is like 24 seconds, but since I just woke up, I got to 29 seconds. So another real scramble. Wait. Let me close my eyes. Alright. Naririnig ka, ma. So sorry about that noise. That was my grandma. Because I'm filming outside. I haven't filmed outside for a long time now. But about the other voices, sorry about the other voices or the noises you hear, because I'm filming outside and my parents are right there. So let's continue my song. I forgot to pause the timer. Sorry about the other voices if you hear, just don't mind them. You got but the night gonna 2 minutes. I won't accept that.
Baby, can you give this garbage back to Mama?
Just wait. Don't mind the other voices. Oh my god. I reset the timer. So let's get it again. You got put the night on it. I know. She said, "You think the devil is horns?" Catchy tune. I'm still a slow person. At least I have a GAN cube. My ninang works for a factory, that's why I have a GAN cube. I still have a very bad turning style. That's why I get a lot of lockups. 57! I think that's a +2. Yes, it is. 59! Reset. So My review for the GAN 356666666666666M light. 10. If you see me wearing a helmet, don't mind it. Don't mind it. Alright, so my cube has GES. Let's remove the GES. It's not my cube, I just bought it. So this is not the M, it's like the light edition. Oh, let's not do that. So, GAN, thank you, GAN, for letting me buy your cube. GAN. Oh, I forgot the other thing.